Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to save some money, how to change your own air filter. If you get your oil changed at one of these quick big box stores or an oil quick lube place, they're always going to check other filters and offer to replace them. I would say skip the air filter because that literally takes 2 or 3 minutes. You can probably save $25–30, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Behind me is our family truckster. This is a 2017 Ford Explorer. It needed a air filter change. Typically it's about every 40,000 miles. Your manual will tell you how often you should do it. But we're gonna road trip tomorrow, I think, and I want to change ours because it's time. First thing you're gonna want to do is make sure you have an air filter. To find out what filter you need, just get online, do a Google search, and you'll need a couple things. You'll need your make and model, like Ford Explorer, and the year of your car. You might also need to know the type of engine, the size of engine, if there's multiple engine options for that year. And then you'll go to the store and buy it. They also have computers at the store that will help you find out the right filter. It's Sunday morning at 8 a.m. and of course one plane is flying over. Going 52 miles an hour. Back under the hood, we see this big rectangle housing, and that's where the air filter is. There are two silver clips on the side, here and here. Those just pop off to the left. And we're going to remove the sensor over here that pulls out. Take that off. Now I'll put this on a tripod, but this entire housing will come off to expose the air filter. We'll replace that, remove any debris, put the new one in, and refasten everything. Okay, we took the two clips off on the air filter, and now this whole housing, rather large, comes out of two slots on the right side. You lift it up and you grab the old air filter, grab your new air filter, and just for comparison, it did its job. It traps all sorts of stuff that would go into your cabin or your engine and keeps everything running smoothly. This would go into your engine. So we'll put the new one down. I peeked under there. It's a clean housing. So the new one just slides in place, and you drop this down. It's got tabs on the right side. Let me show you. There are tabs on the right side there. You see those 3 tabs? Those will go into holes. Hard to do while holding the camera. There they go. They're in the holes now. Push it in place. Bring these tabs back up. Connect the sensor again. And congratulations, you probably just saved $25 doing it yourself. That's it. That's how you change an air filter. This particularly is on a 2017 Ford Explorer, but many vehicles are almost identical to this. Thanks for watching.